Model railway rock star Lance Meinheim has a blog post on David Barrow's layout which features no scenery. While David Barrow's approach on using composition to deliver realism could be a discussion in itself, what goes unnoticed is that the environment hosting the layout is finished and welcoming, which actually makes the layout look complete. If you are curious on how this all looks, equally talented Trevor Marshall from Achievable Layouts has an excellent tour of the layout. My layout? Right now it looks like a hunk of wood against the wall. So that's today's goal. Clean it up, blend it in, and add some unique touches. I visited the local hardware store to pick up on some cable management and good quality extension cords so that everything can be turned on and off via a single switch on a surge protected plug. Yeah, it's not as straight as it looks. The layout's professional appearance quickly disappears when the unfinished and unpainted lumber comes into view. I have no idea what went wrong here. As I don't have proper storage right now, I am using these foldable boxes to store some overflow items. This is still not ideal, but it looks way better than the mess that was here before. I repurposed what looks like a 1980 mouse holder to give my controller a place to go when not in use. And now for a final touch. While not exactly the museum quality results I had envisioned, the space looks clean, inviting, and well put together. I have some thinking as to what I want to do next, but one thing is clear. When it's time to play with trains, if the environment is welcoming, scenery is truly optional.